Hi there, my name's Jez Turner from the University of Nottingham, and I'm part of the resources group for the Space Universities Network. And as part of that, what we've got is a series of resources we'd like you to engage with, use and review and give us feedback on. That's one of the important things. We need to know what is useful and if there is anything we can do to improve. So if you just go to our main homepage at the Space Universities Network and click on See All Resources, you'll come down here and see the wide range of resources that we have, from case studies to project, courses and class resources. So here, coming down, if we just click on case studies, these are examples of work that has been done in terms of industry studies, in terms of outreach activities, or in terms of, for example, here's one here from me, which is building and testing amplifying circuits that I've used as a space-themed electromechanical section in one of my modules. So there's lots of things here like extracurricular CANSATs and all of these things here. So if we kind of dive right in and just have a look at one, you'll see what they look like. So when you come here, you'll have sometimes a video explaining the resources. But here, if you click on there, you usually find an embedded resource, or you can actually click on a link here and it takes you through to the resource here, and what it gives you is like a PDF overview. And whoever leads these case studies, if you have a look at it and think it's something interesting, that we welcome and invite you to please contact us and say, oh, this sounds really interesting, I'd like to be able to run this with a class. Then you can contact us and we can obviously go through that and help and support you with those activities. So at the bottom here, you can tell us how you use the resource here. Just pop your name in and then what others think, so we can get some feedback here. And there's no entries found. That's what we're really looking for, some feedback. What did you like about it? What could be changed? Any of those things. How is it used? So yes, please engage with that process. So if I just go back and have a look at some of the other resources that we have. So class resources here are really good. So in there, in particular, I'd like to bring your attention to this UK Space Agency funded resource, which is based around rocket safety. If you've not seen this one, and any of your students are, number one, interested in rocketry, or number two, more importantly, developing rockets, then this is a resource you should be using. Because Peter Shaw here has gone through, he's got a rocket test facility at Kingston upon Thames University. And here it goes through in sections, in videos, practical rocket testing. Now, I've gone through many of these videos. They are really, really useful. I use them in my teaching as well. So it talks about everything from regulators, filters. Anyone who knows Virgin, yes, will know that there was a problem with a filter on theirs, which meant their rockets failed. So something as simple as that can be the best of us can catch us out. So test centers, infrastructure, lots and lots of good things here. So that's an example of some of the resources. And as you can see here, we are starting to develop this region here and what areas and what levels we're sort of recommending these are at. So levels 3 through to 6. So sort of A level all the way up to going up to undergraduate level. Now, other things on here, for examples, there is a question bank. So we have a series of questions where people have actually put in here questions. Now, this is going to come through the JISC login. So if you find anything about the JISC login, then this is behind our members area. But don't worry, the members area is completely free to join. So if I went to the home page here, then you've got a little button there that says join us. And all it is you fill in this form here. So anything you'd like to access but you can't access, pretty straightforward. You can join us as a teacher, lecturer in anything space or space related, from further education, higher education, and we welcome you into our community, and you feel free to share your own resources as well and your experiences. So I hope that helps. That's just a quick overview of our resource bank, and yeah, please get in touch if you need anything or you've got any suggestions. All right, thanks a lot. Bye.